Procrastination, one of the most important, crucial, and common problem of our generation. See, whenever we see a work as something boring, something which cannot give us that amount of dopamine hit, which we can take by scrolling reels or doing something which are not that productive, which are not that helpful for our goal, for our ambition, for our work, but those can give us a instant gratification, a small amount of hit, a small amount of punch of dopamine, and by small punch you get addicted. You just scroll one more reel, you just watch one more Netflix episode, you just watch one more YouTube video, you just listen one more song in order to continue that consumption of instant pleasure, consumption of instant cheap dopamine. I know you all know and you have overheard this thing: dopamine, gratification, instant gratification, delayed gratification. But just simply ask yourself, तुमने इसको कितना सीरियस लिया? At what amount of level you have taken serious this thing? At what extent तुम्हें तुमने इसे अपने लाइफ में अप्लाई किया? See, procrastination is something which pushes away the work we have to do at this particular moment. I also procrastinate so much of the time, but whenever I do so, na, I make myself realize one thing, that I am a human being, and at one day I'm going to die. And by doing a death meditation, you can do it too. Just assume that you are going to die in few minutes. You on or your on your deathbed, all your loved ones are sick, covered you from every side, and you're just thinking of the problems you had when you was a teenager, the problems which you used to call procrastination, which actually helped you to not to start a business that you always wanted to, the content creation you always wanted to, because you always wanted to be a content creator. It could be anything, it could be being an actor, it could be being an super intelligent student, it could be being an graphic designer, but you haven't start designing graphics, you haven't started doing the acting in the auditions, just because you had a comfort zone. When you sees that I lost the time and in few minutes I'm going to die, you just think in mind that this I'm so unlucky that I lived my whole life just procrastination, in just procrastination and all the cheap things. I never tasted the luxury I always wanted to. But open your eyes and ask yourself, did I actually messed up, or I still have some time? And 99.9% of you still have the time. So get up, write that one thing, write that two thing that you actually wanted to start but you hadn't any courage to start it. It could be anything, it could be content creation, it could be preparation of your exams, it could be talking to that one person you always feared of, expressing those feelings to that one person you always wanted to. Just do it, because nobody knows when will you die, and what will be those sorry to yourself on your deathbed. Make sure that those sorries जितने कम से कम नंबर पर हैं उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा. You can't grow without falling, so let's fall and grow.